Today we are going to discuss about nonlinear data structure graph. Under graph, the topic we are going to see is topological sorting. The objectives of this presentation are: we are going to learn about topological sort with one example, and we are going to write an algorithm for topological sorting. So first we have to know what is topological sorting. So the topological sort of a DAG G. Okay, so what is DAG? Directed acyclic graph G. It is nothing but is a linear ordering of vertices of the graph G. What is the condition for this sorting means? If we have an edge from U to V in the graph, in the topological order, the node U must appear before V. So that is the constraint for topological sorting. As we know, topological sorting is possible only for directed acyclic graph. That is, the graph must be directed graph and it should not contain any cycles. And moreover, for every DAG, we can have more than one number of topological sort. We are going to see with one example. Consider this is a given directed acyclic graph. Okay, we are writing the topological orderings of these graphs. For the given DAG, we have 4 possible topological orderings. Okay, they are listed here. So consider, if I want to complete the course 2 and 3, I have to finish the course 1. So 1 must appear before 2 and 3. Similarly, if I want to complete the course 4, I have to finish 1, 2 or 1, 3. Similarly, for the course 5, I have to finish 1, 2, 4, okay, and 3. So like that, based on the constraints, we are formulating different topological orderings. We will see with one another example. Let us consider our daily day-to-day activities. A stands for waking up and B stands for taking shower, C stands for eating breakfast and D stands for leaving work. Can you order them? So A before B. Okay, A before B. So that is, before taking a shower, you must wake up. A before C. Before eating the breakfast, you must wake up. B before D. So that is, before leaving the work, you have to take a shower. C before D. Before leaving the work, you have to eat your breakfast. Okay. So these constraints are listed here. A before B, A before C, B before D and C before D. So based on these constraints, we are writing a topological order. Okay, so which is the topological order we get? It is A, B, C, D. So see the constraints. A is occurring before B and A is occurring before C. B is occurring before D and C is occurring before D. Okay, so it satisfies all the 4 conditions, all the 4 constraints. So it is one example for topological order. Now we will see the algorithm for topological sort. We have 2 main steps in this algorithm. One is, we have to select a node whose integrity is 0. In the second step, you have to delete that node along with its edges. So these 2 are the main 2 steps in topological order. Okay. We will see the steps. In the first step, we are computing the integers of all the vertices of the given graph G. After completing the first step, you have to find one vertex u such that whose integrity is 0. And that vertex is displayed in an order. It is added in output. Once it is added in the output, it must be removed from the graph. And you have to remove all its corresponding edges also from the graph. Once the node and its corresponding edges are deleted, you have to again recalculate the integers of the remaining vertices. So the steps 2, 3, 4. So they are repeated until all the vertices are processed. Okay. So once again, I will explain the steps. In the first step, we have to compute all the nodes' integers. In the second step, we have to find one vertex. The condition is its integrity must be 0 and it is added in the output. Once it is added in the output, you have to remove that vertex from the graph. Not only the node is removed, its corresponding edges are also removed. After removing the vertex and the corresponding edges from the graph, you have to recalculate the integers. So the steps 2, 3 and 4. So these 3 steps are repeated until all the vertices are processed. Okay. We will see with one example. This is our given DAG. So what is DAG? Directed acyclic graph. So how many number of vertices we have? So we have 5 vertices. They are named as V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5. What is my first step? I have to calculate the integers of each node. Okay. What about the integrity of the node V1? First, what is the integrity? It is the number of incoming edges. Since V1 don't have any incoming edges, its integrity is 0. What about the node V2? It is having only one incoming edge, so its integrity is 1. What about V3? We have 2 incoming edges, so its integrity is 2. So like that, we have to calculate all the other nodes' integers. What about my next step? I have to select one node. Okay, I have to select one node whose integrity is 0. So V1 is selected. After selecting V1, it is added in the output. Okay, it is added in the output. Once it is added in the output, you have to remove V1 and its edges. So that is like this. Once V1 is added in the output, so V1 and its corresponding edges are deleted. After deleting the edges, you have to recalculate the integers. Okay. So now for the new graph, V2's integrity is 0. Since we don't have any incoming edge, it is 0. And for V3, it is 1. And V4, it is 1. V5, we have 2 incoming edges, so it is 2. So again, we are repeating the same process. So that is, you have to select a vertex whose integrity is 0. Okay. So V2 is selected. Once V2 is selected, you have to add V2 in output. V2 is added in the output. Once V2 is added in the output, you have to remove V2 and its edges are removed, and we are recalculating the integers. Okay. So now whose vertex integrity is 0? It is V4. So in the next step, V4 is selected. and V4 is added in the output and V4 is deleted from the graph, and we recalculate the integers of remaining vertices. So in the final step, we have two vertices V3 and V5. Both the vertices integers are 0. So you can choose either V3 first or V5 first. So if I choose V3 first, then the output is V1, V2, V4, V3, V5. Instead, I can go with V5 first. So if I select V5 first, then the topological order is V1, V2, V4, V5, V3. Okay. So hope you remember the steps for calculating the topological sort. The applications, it is used in solving dependencies. It is used to detect cycles. It is used for edge classification, and it is used in graph drawing algorithms. The time complexity of this algorithm is order of V plus E. So these are some sample university questions and some gate questions. So like this, they will give you one directed acyclic graph and they ask you to solve for topological sort. Or they can say how many number of topological sortings are possible for the given directed acyclic graph. With this, I am concluding topological sort. Thank you all.